Black clouds over the county line. Sirens drown beneath the rain. Nobody leaves. Nobody leaves. Drank the poison dry. Factories coughed into the sky. River turned a swollen grave. Steel and concrete couldn't save. Telesian prophets lied. Stay inside, the storm will die. Power lines begin to scream. Lightning splits the midnight scene. Windows shake beneath the roar. Water crashes through the door. Children cry in candlelight. Darkness eats the town tonight. No salvation, no warning sign. Nature's hammer falls this time. Ashes of the floodplain, bodies in the rain. Church bells ringing out, but nobody remains. Cold mud rising higher, drowning every name. Ashes of the floodplain, nothing left to save. Helicopters pass above, searching through the waves of mud. Photographs and wedding rings floating past abandoned dreams. Farmer on the rooftop waits, watching water claim his place. 30 years beneath these fields, gone beneath the spinning wheels. Dogs are howling in the black, train tracks vanish, never back. Highway signs begin to bend. Here's the way the story ends. False kingdoms built too wide. Mother Nature turns the tide. Ashes of the floodplain, bodies in the rain. Church bells ringing out, but nobody remains. Cold mud rising higher, drowning every name. Ashes of the floodplain, nothing left to save. Water climbing staircase walls, hear the distant engine stall. Radio keeps cutting out, always filled with fear and doubt. One man clutching to a cross, praying over all he lost. Thunder answers from the sky, no one hears his final cry. Morning comes in shades of gray. Town is washed and swept away. Silence hanging thick as smoke. Every promise finally broke. Bells still ringing through the haze. Echoes over shallow graves. Past of ruin, all that's seen. Nature wipes the slate back clean. Ashes of the floodplain, buried by the rain. Iron towers crumble down like they were never made. Cold winds carry sorrow through the hurricane. Ashes of the floodplain, Ashes of the floodplain. Bell tolls in the distance, then silence.